Hello everyone, welcome to Just Invest Today. In today's video, we are talking about Facebook because this is insane and this is crazy. The stock market is fake to me. When I saw this, I'm just like, what? How in the world is the market doing this to Facebook? And I'm honestly shocked when I get into it. But let's go, man. We gotta get into this video. I want to do this video really quickly just to break it down. Why the stock market is fake right now. It's all cap, man. So let's break it down right now. I was just like thinking to myself, I'm like, why is Facebook so cheap? Like, what? Like, what don't people see in Facebook right now? It's just me thinking, I'm just contemplating stuff. And $195 a share. Look what happened in the year. It's down 40% for the year, which is crazy. All the way from 378. And this is all because it missed earnings by like whatever percent, and the users declined by like a 1%. Just imagine the people are complaining that Facebook users declined. And they think it's a dying business because it declined. Like, that's the thought process people have, even though they have the most users of any social platform right now. Like, it's crazy. Like, how much do you expect them to grow? But besides the point, and then I was looking at IBM. I was curious, what is IBM doing? Guys, this is a dying company, not even growing. Like, they lose revenue. They lose net income year after year. Guys, it's up 1% for the year. I'm like, wait, what? How is this dying company up 1% for the year? Even has a 22 PE. I don't even really care about that, but man, 22 PE versus 14 PE. I'm just shocked and I'm just flabbergasted. I'm just like, what? How is this possible? So let me look at the numbers quickly. Do a quick analysis. They are expecting IBM to basically perform better than Facebook. Guys, like, this is not even a joke. 3 years, compounded annual return, not even a freaking percent. But then we go to Facebook's 3-year return, only 1%. Like, think about this. Facebook is only 1%, basically. And IBM is like right there with Facebook. Guys, like, this is not even a joke. Look what Facebook has done in the past 3 years. 26%, 21%, 37% revenue growth. Like, this is not even a joke. And this is an 80% margin company with a crazy network effects moat with scales economies. Like, what more can you want from a business? The top 3 ad business in the world, pretty much. This is the dying business that people are talking about. When you compare it to IBM, look what IBM's doing. They're basically, the market is basically telling you IBM is exactly the same value or more valuable than Facebook right now. Negative 27%, negative 4%, up 3.9% revenue growth with only 54% margins and 10% operating margins, and Facebook has over 30% operating margins. Guys, like, this is not a joke. Like, the market is fake. They're basically saying that IBM is worth way more just because they pay a dividend? Like, is that the only reason? Because they pay a dividend of a business that's losing revenue growth or not even growing, doesn't really have a moat, just provides software, financing, infrastructure? Like, who has talked about IBM in the past, like, 10 years? No one. I'm still like, and this is with 31% return on equity, 33% return on capital. Now let's compare this to IBM's return on equity and return on invested capital. 23% return on equity, 7.4% return on capital. Guys, like, this is not a joke. Even the analysts, this is looking at the analyst expectations, even though I don't really care about this, but still, they have IBM doing 7% next year. The next 5 years, 13%? That's iffy. The past 5 years, they've been negative 5%, and they somehow are going to do plus 13% with more competitors basically entering the market. Now let's look at Facebook. The past 5 years, 42%. The next 5 years, they have that 7%. Next year, they have it at 18%. 7% is honestly low, in my opinion. I don't think they're just going to do 7% over that one-time hiccup with the Apple privacy stuff and how they're knocking down Facebook, or Google's privacy stuff, how that's going to knock down Facebook. But still, IBM. Think about it. IBM hasn't done nearly as much as Facebook, and it's up 1% for the year. Honestly, guys, I'm astonished. The market is fake. They're saying in the past 3 years, the stock performance has been the damn same. Like, that's incredible to me. That's incredible, guys. Anyways, what do you think, man? Tell me why. Tell me the reason why IBM is selling more than Facebook. Is it just because the 4%, 5% dividend? Does that give you a higher valuation on IBM's future cash flows than Facebook's? The top 3 ad business in the world? Man, god damn. That is crazy, man. Peace.